Hi guys, Miss Chris here from the Fountaindale Library. Today we are going to paint another one of my favorite things, ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. We're going to use watercolors today and some very neat effects. You can see on here how it kind of blends together. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. If you have paints at home, like these, use those. If you don't, remember how we did last time, we made our own paints. You can see them here. Equal parts cornstarch and water and just a few drops of food coloring. If you didn't see the first Let's Create, go back and watch it. All right, so the first thing we're going to start is with plain water. What's really kind of neat is if we use just plain water on our canvas, which you can use a canvas or you can use regular paper, always remember to tape it down so that way as it dries nice and flat. So you're going to take your water and you're going to make your square for your popsicle. Now, you'll be able to see it just because it's wet, but it won't have any color. And sometimes you got to turn your paper to be able to see it. And I hope you guys can see it on the zoomed in. Let's see. And the reason we're doing this is the water is kind of going to stop it from spreading anywhere else. It's really pretty cool. And all right. We have some very good light in this library, but it makes it a little hard to see where painting. So this will be a good test. So we'll start with our red. And you can use any of those colors. Maybe we'll use a little bit of both. And then we're going to start with red in the top. And you just touch to it. And watch what happens. It's going to slide. But when it gets to the end, to where we were, it's going to slide back down. Isn't that kind of neat? The water kind of stops it. And it spreads out. And now I'm moving it away from you. Can you see that? And see when it gets to the bottom, how it stops? It's kind of neat. And you can add other colors. Clean your brush in between if you like. And maybe a little purple. And we're going to let it. Now, if it's not watery enough to drip down, you can always add a little more water with your brush. I'm going to do that with these. Plus then it'll go a little faster for you guys. You can also drag it down with your brush. Maybe fill it in where you might need a little more color. And then we have this kind of cool tie-dye popsicle. You can just keep adding a little bit more where you think it might need it. Maybe a little yellow in here might be kind of cool. And I know those of you who come to Let's Create regularly love to experiment, so I would love to see the kind of things you'll do and the different colors you'll make. Now, that's one way to do it. And then you would use your brown to make your popsicle stick. There's another kind of neat thing you can do is take a little bit of salt. Now we've got this cool tie-dye, right? But if we added salt, what do you think would happen to our water? And some of you have come to Let's Create probably know this already. So we'll just add a pinch of salt. And I hope you can see the cool effect it does. And watch how it pushes this paint away, almost like its own little tie-dye. Can you guys see that? It'll take some time. It's gonna look very cool. Should we add, maybe we should add our stem, our popsicle stick. Just a little bit of brown. And what you can do is you can pull some of those colors down into your popsicle stick, just like your popsicle would probably drip while you're eating it. And it'll make it look even that more interesting. So what do you guys think? Hope you had fun today. We'll see you next time.